Good morning, Dave.
Good morning, Amy.
My friend Betty keeps talking about Kanban and how it made her business more efficient and improved collaboration. Do you know what she's talking about?
Yes, Kanban is a simple but powerful tool that can help business owners and project managers stay organized. Meet me in a conference room and I'll explain it. Kanban is a Japanese term meaning something like billboard. It was developed by Toyota in the 1950s for manufacturing. However, it has since been applied to a number of industries, including construction, architecture, software development, and even personal time management. A well-planned Kanban board keeps all of your team members collaborating and informed. In many cases, a digital Kanban system, along with thoughtful participation, can eliminate the need for the dreaded weekly status report. In its most basic form, a Kanban board has just a few columns such as to do, in progress, and completed. With digital systems, like stars, any number of columns can be created to reflect how work flows through your organization. After a board is created, all the necessary contributors are invited to participate on the board. This creates a small but dynamic working group. Depending on the nature of your business, you might invite an engineer, a graphic artist, a copywriter, and a few others. In most cases, the board participation list will include at least one or more product owners. In a small company, the product owner might be the business owner. In a large organization, it might be a project manager. Generally, it is the role of the product owner to maintain an authoritative list of work items that need to be accomplished in order to complete a project. In a Kanban system, these work items are represented on the board with tasks or cards. They are also sometimes called user stories because they describe work in sequential, bite-sized thoughts. In order to help the product owner stay organized, a typical Kanban board often contains a backlog. The backlog is a sorted and prioritized list of tasks that aren't yet ready to be worked. The backlog can even contain brainstorming cards. As work becomes ready for the team, the product owner moves the task from the backlog to the to-do column. In a digital system, like STARS, a variety of notifications can be set to inform participants when such changes occur. Once a card is moved to the to-do column, it is ready to be worked by the team. Some systems, like STARS, even allow cards to be assigned specific ownership. In a Kanban system, the topmost card is the most important. As a result, there is no confusion as to which task needs to be worked next. As work begins, the card is pulled out of the to-do column and placed into the in progress column. During its journey through the board, participants can add notes, change ownership, and even invite others to participate. This lets everyone on the board know exactly what's going on at any given time. One by one, cards move from the backlog onto the board. Team members continue to pull cards from one column to the next as items are worked. When the backlog becomes empty and all the cards are in the completed column, the project is done. I suggest we visit STAR's website and see how their digital Kanban system can improve our business.